So in SketchUp, in order to go ahead and start designing something, you can go ahead and utilize something that's called the line tool. So to do that, over here on the top, you can see that lines is an option represented by this pencil-like icon right here. And now I can simply go ahead and rotate by using the middle mouse button, and then I can go ahead and start drawing. Let's say, for example, I can draw a freehand, and as I draw around, you can see black. That means it's not aligned with anything. But as it lines it out, you can see that it snaps onto the green arrow right here, telling it that it's parallel to green shape right here. Similarly, I can click and then release and then go around over here, and you can see that as it is snapping onto the red, I know that it's parallel to the red right here. Similarly, I can go around over here, snap it to green right here, go ahead and continue drawing out accordingly right here. You can also go ahead and then use another shape right here, go ahead, use another shape right here, and so forth. And then you can see that this is how you can draw a plane. Whenever you go ahead and, let's say, for example, draw out something right here randomly, it seems like you can see that this is the plane right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. But right now I randomly drew something, and you can see that from this angle it seems as if I drew a shape. But as I go around, you can see that sometimes it does not get it quite right. So you need to go ahead and rotate around and be sure that you are drawing out in the angle as you need. So let me just press Ctrl Z right here. So now if you want to go ahead and make some shape, click and drag it, and then you'll be able to see that this is what you have. So you can go ahead and drag it right here, just like this, and you can see that sometimes it draws in another angle right here. So as you go around, you can see that when you see blue, it's actually being aligned to the blue axis right here, just like this. So instead of, let's say, for example, the green, you can go around over here onto blue, and then you know it is upright right here. Then you can go around over here, and then let's say, for example, align it with a green. Let's say, for example, go around over here, and then you got this particular shape right here, just like this. And that is how you can simply go ahead and utilize the line tool. Apart from that, let me just go ahead and then click and drag this, and you can see the length right there, just like that. But I can go ahead and type in 8" right here, just like this, over here, and then what happens is that it simply goes ahead and creates an 8" line. So let's just go around and say 8" right here, just like this. You can go ahead and type it, and whenever you actually go ahead and type it, it's actually waiting for you to type. You don't need to click on the space. So I'm just going to say 8" right here, just like this, and let's say, for example, 6 right here, 8x6 right here, and then press enter, and then what happens is that it draws the exact length right here, just like this, accordingly. So you can go around and do the same as well. Let's say, for example, right around over here, and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say 6" right here, just like this. So let's just go around and say 6x4, press enter, and then you can see that it snaps onto place. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize line tool to go ahead and draw out content as you like. So you can go ahead and move this as you like right here, just like this as well, and then make changes to it for the faces and so forth as you please. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the line tool inside of SketchUp to draw out the shapes as you please. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.